Hello, Jon Markee here, your Builder CPA, and today we have another story, so pull up a chair. Let's start with the tale of Bob the Bad Builder and Sammy the Star when it comes to understanding monthly financials. As month end approaches, Sammy the Star and Bob the Bad Builder are both eager to get their profit and loss statements. Understandably so. Sammy, already working with a skilled accountant, knows exactly what to expect and, more importantly, what metrics to evaluate. Bob, on the other hand, finally gets his profit and loss statement, but he has no idea what it means or where to start. He definitely feels overwhelmed by the data, not knowing where to look first. Sammy works with her accountant to focus on the right metrics. She meets with her accountant to review key metrics in her business on a regular basis, and she's able to cut out the noise of data overload, so she doesn't pay attention to the metrics that are not important. Her accountant helps her focus on what truly matters so that she can improve her profit margin, along with her cash flow, AP balances, AR, and overall profitability of all of her jobs. With her accountant, they dive into advanced reports in QuickBooks and enable specific columns such as AP and AR in the reports so she can see a detailed listing of what expenses have been paid on which jobs and which jobs will have money going out soon. Sammy leaves her monthly meeting feeling confident and knowing exactly how her business has performed at the end of every month. Bob, meanwhile, finally logs into QuickBooks to see his financials, but he's completely lost. He sees columns, rows, numbers, but he doesn't understand how to interpret them, which is totally understandable. We're dealing with home builders here. You're not expected to have an accounting degree. He doesn't even know if some of his vendors have been paid because he just doesn't know where to look. Without an accountant to guide him, Bob is just overwhelmed with data and unable to distinguish what is really important for his business's health. On the other hand, Sammy is able to ask more advanced questions from her accountant, such as how much she owes to subcontractors and whether her payments were processed correctly. She learns how to run common reports in QuickBooks, such as the vendor expense report, to answer questions to see if someone was paid. Her accountant can even show her how to use more advanced reporting, such as enabling products and services, understanding the difference between the amount column and the balance column. Bob misses the big picture while Sammy thrives. He continues to flounder. He stares at his profit and loss statement, but without understanding the data, he can't see where his business made or lost money, and he certainly can't take action on it. He really doesn't know where to turn. He doesn't know what levers to pull in his business because he doesn't understand the numbers and he's overwhelmed. It leads to him missing key insights that could have saved his business money. Sammy, on the other hand, knows exactly what reports to look at and how to make her decisions for the coming year when it comes to budgeting, saving money, and improving her profitability on a job-by-job basis. In the end, be like Sammy the Star, not like Bob the Bad Builder. Work with a good accountant to cut through the noise of data overload and focus on the right metrics for your business. Bob the Builder is lost in a sea of numbers and unable to make sense of his financials. But Sammy, able to ask the right questions and using advanced reporting features, is able to drive her business to improved profitability. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.